And also in other areas, it is known as smart economy. For smart, we use smart gadgets, we use smart telephones, smart iPads, smart computers, smart televisions, and these are the things currently driving the economy. We want to thank you for the efforts you are making to make sure that you establish information technology centers in the whole of the Republic to make sure that our young men and women are versed with what is going to be there in future. That is where the world is going, where people will be able to earn from where they are living, from Karachuonyo, from Huisero, where I come from, and from other places, from Coast, from Kilifi, and from other places, simply because now you would have, this one opens the world and the young men, the world markets of business. And we want to thank you for that and appeal to you, Excellency. We have refurbished Mboya Labour College at a tune of 500 million Kenya shillings without borrowing, coming from workers alone. And I want people who are making noise to visit Mboya Labour College Kisumu. It's more than any known university in this country today. We are asking you kindly, Your Excellency, to support our efforts on that college and come and launch it as an IT center for our country, where we'll be able to train both workers, employers, and first-line managers from every farm that we deal with, and also from parastatals, and your government as well can use that institution. Your Excellency, you appointed me on Social Health Insurance Authority, SHIA. And we are migrating to this new authority from National Hospital Insurance Fund. We support you very much on this. And more so the people you appointed on this SHIA board are capable people, people who are committed, Your Excellency, to help you, including the PS Health, including the current acting CEO, and more so the chairman, Dr. Luenyi.